In today's video, we are discussing Biopath Holdings, ticker symbol BPTH, an exciting penny stock that exploded with increased trading on April 5th upon news of a successful phase 2 study. Analyst targets for the $7 stock predict an impressive potential upside. Now, let's discuss whether this stock is one to consider holding on to for a longer-term investment and that potential huge run-up in price. Biopath is an oncology-focused biotechnology company. And in this review, we will look at the projected total market for their products, analysts' overall target price for the stock, the company's profitability, and resistance in Biopath's longer and short-term stock charts. Finally, we will look at the level of shares that are shorted. Keep in mind that penny stocks are volatile and highly risky, but a smaller percentage can soar massively on good news or with an increase in product market penetration. This is Lynn with 60 Perfect Ways to Wealth, and thank you so much for joining me here today. So let's go and review today's hot stock. Just before we do that, this is a friendly reminder that if you enjoy today's video, to please hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment below. Keep in mind that this is not financial advice, but for information only. Here we are looking at Biopath Holdings Yahoo Finance snapshot, indicating the close price of $7.63 on April 5th, with a 6.71 increase in price. You will note the 52-week price range from a low of $3.12 to a high of $24.34, and the average trading volume of 2 million shares per day that increased to 21 million on the 5th. A screenshot from April 6 shows a slide back down in price. Next, we are looking at Biopath's website. The company is developing a new path in DNA-powered medicine delivery, DNA Therapeutics, directly to cancer cells. A great positive for these therapeutics is that they offer effective therapy without the harsh side effects, enabling fragile patients to tolerate treatments. An article published on Yahoo Finance further detailed what had sent the stock upward. On April 5th, Biopath had completed the safety run of stage 2 of a phase 2 study evaluating the treatment for acute myeloid leukemia, also known as AML. The article explains that the treatment was well tolerated and no dose-limiting toxicities were observed. TipRanks has 2 analysts offering a price target for the stock of $11.50, which would be a 51% increase from the price of $7.63. They rate Biopath as a moderate buy. The analysts making these price predictions include 5-star analyst H.C. Wainwright. The Finviz profile shows on the lower portion of the screen that Roth Capital initiated coverage for Biopath in March 2021 and gave the stock a higher price target of $13. Biopath market cap of only $52 million, which is a micro-sized penny stock. Insiders own less than 1% of the stock and institutions own 7%. Earnings per share this year were 12.60%, with less than 1% predicted for next year. The short float is reflected as only 1.81%, which indicates a low level of short sellers in this stock. One concern is the decreasing level of cash flow generated from Biopath's operations, which have been sliding down since 2017. This is also reflected in the E-Trade screenshots flowchart describing cash flow per share as a leading indicator of a company's well-being. Now let's take a quick look at the stock chart for Biopath. The 2-year chart shows resistance level at $20 and a price support level at $3. The year-to-date chart shows strong buying on February 10th and April 5th. If you found value in this video, if you haven't yet, please give it a thumbs up. I'd also appreciate hearing about any other penny stocks that you are liking right now. Do keep in mind that you will need to do your own research and due diligence before making any investment decisions. This is never a recommendation to buy any specific stock, but is for entertainment only. I'm thrilled that you made it through this video and review, and now make sure that you are subscribed to the channel as I have more videos on the way like this one. Thank you so much for joining me here today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!